Hey everybody, welcome. It's Friday and Monday. It's a weird lesson around the weekend. Right now I'm watching the NFL draft, and it was actually funny because Joe Burrow, who got picked one, said, don't make fun of me because of my haircut. So I'm guessing a lot of you maybe have weird haircuts, especially those boys. Boys get their haircut like once a month, or every 3 weeks. I think actually I asked my life ed class a while back, when do you get your haircuts? Every 3 weeks. So I guess a lot of you are looking with bad haircuts or long, scraggly hair. My wife usually cuts it, so I'm fine. Getting forward to our days. Friday, April 24th is National Pigs in a Blanket Day. You know, those hot dogs wrapped in, well, we wrap them in like pizza dough or croissant dough, but you can do bacon too. National Teach Children to Save Day. I don't know what that is. National Arbor Day. There you go. Plant a tree. National Hairball Awareness Day. Hairballs, be aware. They're out there. Especially if you're a cat or a rabbit, you know exactly what a hairball is. Or if you have one, I guess, too. National Babe Ruth Day. Go hit a home run and I don't know. National Devil Dog Day, National Prime Rib Day, and National Tell a Story Day. So, getting into it, first, let's talk about the puzzle that we had. And of course, always check in with me about the Schoology conferences. I had McKinley on the other day. That was nice to see McKinley. I was out in my backyard throwing the balls to my dog, and she had her dog too. Cute little Shih Tzu. Okay, on which numbers are the cars parked? Let's see who got these. Congratulations, Lainey, Grady, Travis, and Tori. If you look at it like this, it doesn't make much sense. But if you flip it around, it's 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So the missing numbers were 17, 20, and 21. It's just the way you look at them. I solved this puzzle and I was like, yeah, those numbers look kind of weird, just slightly. So if you flip them over, they, I guess they can still kind of look weird, but oh well. Here's our puzzle, and you can put your answers in the um, section. Okay, in the little thing down here, actually. Um, First, we have our study guide today. So we're going to be taking a test next week on Tuesday, or this week on Wednesday. On Tuesday and Wednesday, a test. I'll tell you a little bit about the test, but essentially we have the study guide. There are also some study resources that you can use that are in there as well. The study guide looks familiar to other study guides we've done. The first section, you're just going to fill in the answer, and then there's some ones where you type. You're going to turn these in. I'm going to look over them and add comments like I've been doing with all the study guides so far. Just a heads up about this test. I didn't write this test. Actually, our whole science cadre did last week. We made it a bit shorter. It's all multiple choice. And if you do well on that study guide, and you make sure all your answers on your study guide are correct and you check it over, you should do pretty well on the test. So I look forward to seeing lots of you on our Zoom meeting on Friday, as we've had. I'll put that link up on the top of that page so you can see that. And yeah, see you guys later.